What I get in a week of PR? Let's get into it. First up we got Ciate. So we've got mascara, a liquid eyeliner, a lip plumping gloss and some glitter eyeshadow. We got some LANO lips. We got some IMBUE curl uplifting conditioning foam. Ooh, we got FENTY Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat in hot chocolate. And we got a lipstick from L'Oreal. Milk makeup. They sent me more concealer shades. I love when brands do a little handwritten note. ANISA Beauty. Fancy. So we got these face brushes, a nice little bag, a silk eye mask and a face and brush cleaner. Ooh, okay, next one we got this big one from ARDELL. Oh my gosh guys, look at this. Halloween has literally just ended. I wish I received this sooner. So we got some glue, their signature lashes, a brow lamination kit, these nail art pens. I can't wait to play with these. Another handwritten note from FDD team. And then this is filled with a bunch of sweets. Next up is Beauty Bay. Got their neutral palette. ASMR. This is nice. Oh, I can't get this one out. Ugh. They're both so pretty. We got the Dark Fantasy collection. Came with this, a candy cane and a Christmas Beauty Bay bauble. Eyeshadow palette, some lashes, an eye base, liquid eyeshadow. Look at this brush bag. You see that colour shifting? Look at the brushes. They're so pretty, I don't even want to use them. Let's open up the first one. It's their collab with the Plastic Boy. Then we got this Halloween Beetlejuice collection. There's quite a lot here. Next is a bunch of goodies from River Island. Some Illamasqua products, which I've never tried. Some Iconic London. Some Prima Lashes, Totally Moly Lip Mask, and Fasali Eye Cream. And some Revolution. I've always wanted one of these. And this Jordan Woods and EASILOCKS U-Part wig. Ooh. Next we got skincare. We got a Garnier Vitamin C serum. So this is from Wonder Skin. We got another silk eye mask, a lavender and chamomile soy candle, and 2 brow serum gels. We've got some eye patches, a Morsi cleanser, and SPF from LOREAL. So this one's from Scientia Beauty. Another handwritten note, a skin tonic, a moisturising balm, and a deep cleanser. Whew, that's everything. Thanks for watching.